Some time ago, it was decided that North End would receive a new block machine. So the old press that we had was around about 42 years old, on its last legs, as was a lot of the guarding and the safety systems involved. Part of the process to install the new block machine came about that we needed a training document to improve all the guarding and the energy isolation processes on site. And when one of the team members, Andy, looked at the training for the current block machine, we found some gaps in that.
So I was originally tasked with writing out some RAMs for the factory, and having done that, I realised that all the training that I'd previously had all been passed through generations of operatives. Nothing was actually documented specifically for our factory. And then I realised that people generally learn in different ways, and just having pages upon pages of writing probably wasn't going to get the best out of the guys here. So I devised a plan, a pictorial training aid in the form of the guarding overview, which then I could use and implement for the guys here at North End. And then when it was decided that we would get new plant refit here, the regional engineering manager came to me, not really quite understanding how the isolation systems worked. Obviously all factories are different, it's very complex here with lots of interchanging brands of manufacturers. Equipment, but because I already had the document written out, I thought it was just best to adapt it, again in a pictorial form, to showcase how it works here for the prospective new contractors.
Document now shows each zone that is defined and controlled by which isolation board, how you get in there, where all the guardings are, where all the gates are, and where all the Castell lock systems are.
When the factory refit started, we would have a safety brief at the start of every single day, and utilising that document, we outlined the different zones where everybody would be working, and obviously we communicated that out to everyone.
We've got 30 plus contractors coming onto site that don't know our safety systems, don't know all the rules and regs we have in place, and trying to control those to refit a new plant is a huge thing. And again, with having 0 incidents during this 7-8 week period of installation, and that was mainly down to the control we had on all the energy isolation systems detailed in Andy's document.
I think with the help of that document, especially because we had guys where English wasn't their native language, it just really hit home where you were supposed to be and what you were supposed to be doing.
It's easy to understand, it flows from page to page. We'll now be using that as our training document for all of the team members. I think the fact that we've had no incidents throughout the process when you've got some major energy isolation work going on is a testament to the fact that the contractors are all taking it on board.